Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix the Instagram black screen issue. So if you open up your Instagram app and you notice that the screen is completely black, you can't click on your stories, you can't view posts, it's just completely black. That generally means that there's nothing wrong with your specific mobile phone, but there's a bug within Instagram. So there's generally two ways of how you can fix a bug on Instagram. If Instagram detects a bug and then it releases an update to fix the bug, then you want to make sure to update your Instagram app. So head to the Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then in the search bar you just want to search for Instagram. And if you have an update, you want to make sure you have you install that update to rectify the issue. If there is no update available, then what you can do is you can go into the settings of your phone. So once you're on the settings page, you want to scroll down till you find the apps option, and the process is slightly different on an iPhone. You want to go into your general on iPhone, but then I'll just search for the TikTok or Instagram app really quickly. There it is. And then you want to scroll down and you want to tap on the storage option, which is right there. Once you tap on storage, what you want to do is clear your cache, and you want to clear your data. Once you've done that, you can also do one further step, and that is to uninstall and reinstall the app. And then if you do that and then you reinstall Instagram, you open it up, then the Instagram app should be working. And another step you can try is to restart your phone. So just hold down the power button, or however you restart your phone, press restart, and then you can come back and open up Instagram and use Instagram. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.